The future of 15,000 workers will now depend on a decision by the Generalized System of Preferences subcommittee at the United States Trade Representative's office. A hearing was conducted in Washington, D.C. today in which Fiji was represented. The American Federation of Labor and Congress of Industrial Organizations had filed a petition seeking to remove Fiji from the list of eligible beneficiaries of the Generalized System of Preferences.
It's a meeting that has a bearing on the lives of 75,000 Fijians who stand to be affected if 39 Fijian companies that export Fiji's products into the U.S. market are removed. In 2011 alone, export revenues from these companies generated $57 million. The Fijian government was today represented by Ambassador Winston Thompson, Acting Solicitor-General Sharma, Principal Legal Officer Salaseini Serulagilagi, and First Secretary Baleikasavu. The subcommittee was informed about the recent worker-related reforms in Fiji. The committee was also told that the intention of the Essential National Industry Employment Decree is to ensure the viability of specific industries that are vital to the Fijian economy. The subcommittee was also informed the decree does not destroy the trade union movement in Fiji as alleged. It was also highlighted that the decree's key provisions are comparable to that of the U.S. National Labor Relations Act and laws in the United Kingdom and Ireland. It was also proposed that a bilateral informal dialogue process could be established with the appropriate U.S. trade and labor officials to assist all parties in obtaining true facts about the rights of workers in Fiji. Sherry and Wilson, Fiji One News.